Hey friends, welcome back to Nay's Crafty World. I hope that you're all doing well and staying cozy. Happy spooky season. Recently, the Washi Tape Shop sent me a few of their new seasonal washi tapes, as well as their new Halloween themed tapes. In this haul, I have 6 different sets of washi tapes that I'm going to be testing. The affiliate links to all of these will be in the description down below, and also be sure to use my code Nay's Crafty World 10 for 10% off of your next order. Starting off with the first washi tape, this is the Autumn Friends pre-cut set. All of these illustrations are individual stickers set on the washi tape and depict autumn scenes with colorful leaves and cozy settings. The second is Cats and Books, which combines vintage books, lazy cats, and will be great for my next reading journal. Next is Petals and Parchment, inspired by the idea of a botanist's old journal containing scribbles and drawings of flowers. Included in their spooky collection is the Haunted Harvest pre-cut sticker washi tape. This set is perfect for Halloween journaling with illustrations of pumpkins, black cats, friendly ghosts, and haunted houses. The next set isn't something I would normally go for, but the adorable cats and witchy vibes is something I'd love to try and include in a future journal setup, or maybe use it to decorate a notebook. And finally, I saved the best one for last. The Haunted House set. This set includes all of the spooky elements that I need for Halloween, with ghostly figures, witchy cauldrons, and creepy graveyard scenes.